Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you around the edit page when you're in Google Vids so you know where everything is and you can access it easily and quickly. So once you've got a video open, you're going to see this page. I call this the edit page. This is where you're going to make all the edits to your video. There's a ton of stuff on this page that you need to become familiar with. It really helps to know where things are. That will speed up your process, really save you a lot of time. So let's get into it. To begin, let me draw your attention to the upper left-hand corner of the page. There's a lot of things going on up in this corner. To begin with, you've got the title for the video. Title should probably be something descriptive about what the video is about. When you export or download the video, this title will be part of the file name. There will be some other stuff added on to indicate like what type of video file it is. But it's good to have a descriptive title so you know what you're looking at when you see it in like Google Drive. And then underneath that, like pretty much every Google Doc, you're going to have your menus, file, edit, view, and so on. Those are context specific, so there's a lot of stuff in there that will only apply if the object you've selected actually has those properties that can be manipulated in those ways. And then underneath that, you've got your main toolbar. These are really just shortcuts to the most popular and useful features, really there just for quick access. Very helpful to know what's there. It can save you a lot of time if you know what's in there. In the upper right-hand corner of the screen, you'll see the share button. And because this is a video editor, there's a play button. If you click on the play button, it will play the video pretty much full screen. It won't just play it in this view. It'll actually open up a different view. It'll be a little bit bigger, a little bit easier to see. You can also click on the comments icon, and there is an icon of a little clock that will tell you when the last time this video file was edited. And so that information might be useful. The share button is pretty common among the Google apps, and it's going to do pretty much the same thing it does in all of the apps. But if you do need to share the video, you can do that from that button in the upper right-hand corner. On the right-hand side of the screen, you have this sort of totem pole looking toolbar. That's pretty much what it is. It's more tools available to you. At the top, you can ask it to help you create an image. You can do that using AI. You can insert templates over your scenes, add text boxes, shapes, and lines. You can use stock media. Google Vids has access to a ton of stock media. You're more than welcome to use it. It's pretty much free of charge. So you can insert it wherever it's useful. You can insert your own media if there's something you have that you want to make sure is in the video. You can click on recording. You can record your screen, voiceover, stuff like that. And you can open up a script file on the side where you can type in your script. If you type in a script, you can use an AI-generated voice to generate and insert a soundtrack over the video. Maybe you don't like to hear your own voice. Maybe you just want it to be somebody else's voice. Either way, AI can generate that for you and insert it into the video. And lastly, on the bottom of the screen, you have your scenes. The scenes are all the different really backgrounds for the different video. You can add things to different scenes, but they're all displayed down at the bottom, as well as any tracking. There's soundtracks. If there's an object that shows up at a specific time and then disappears at a certain time, that will also have a track associated with it. And you can edit that and work with that down at the bottom of the screen. The different scenes, you can add animations in between them. All of that stuff is accessible down at the bottom of the screen where you see all of the scenes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.